So I just picked up the Ryzen 5 5600. We're gonna be throwing this in a PC today and doing some gameplay hopefully. So we're gonna go ahead and do a super quick unboxing here and see what all we get. So obviously we get the CPU, the Ryzen 5 5600. Looks nice. And then we have the sticker that we could throw on the case just so we know what we got if we ever forget. Then we also get the stock cooler that Ryzen has. And these are actually pretty nice coolers. I've used them in a few PC builds. And if I was running just a simple black setup, I would definitely just run this for now to save some money. But I am building a white and RGB setup, so we will be using a different cooler on this processor. Anyways, that's basically it for the unboxing. Super simple. Let's go ahead and throw this in the PC and see how it turns out. All right, guys, so this is all installed and I actually already overclocked this going through the BIOS. AMD makes it really easy to do so as well, so it was a very straightforward experience. I did use a different cooler, so I'm not using the stock one that comes with it. But that way I get a fan that matches all the other fans in the case, and it's also sticking to the white theme of our PC. But so far the CPU has been running video games really well. I'll show you guys some clips up here, and I'm running this with a 5060. So the first game that we tested with this PC was Warzone at 1080p with high settings, and we averaged right around 210 FPS, which was pretty impressive for Warzone. Then the next game that we're going to be testing out is Battlefield 6. Once again, just at 1080p, high settings, and we averaged right around 115 FPS. Now, moving over to Fortnite, we're basically doing the same exact setup, 1080p, ultra settings. We got 185 FPS on average. So definitely a pretty sweet setup, and this processor is running great, especially with this overclock. So if you guys are looking for a processor on a little bit of a budget, I would definitely suggest looking into this one. I've been really happy with it. And I've been running Ryzens on almost every PC I've built lately, and they've been really good. So anyways, that's it for my really quick review.